Every dream begins as a vision, a sketch in the mind, a spark of imagination. And then, one day, it stands before you, real, alive, breathing. This house isn't just built of marble and glass, it's built of dreams turned into design. Step through the doors and you step into possibility. Every line, every corner, every shade of white and grey tells a story of patience, focus and purpose. Luxury isn't loud, it's quiet confidence. It's knowing who you are and building a world that reflects it. This living room isn't just a space, it's proof that calm can be powerful. The kitchen, where creation never stops. Ideas like meals take time, effort and care. Perfection comes from repetition, polishing every detail until it shines. The dining space reminds us that success tastes better when shared. Every chair, every light, every texture whispers, "You've earned this." At the end of every long day, peace is the real luxury. These rooms don't just offer comfort, they remind you to rest, to recharge, to dream again. Because even ambition needs silence to grow. Success is about refinement, the art of knowing what to keep and what to let go. The art on the wall, the way light bends around glass, the rhythm of symmetry. They all remind us, greatness lives in details. Every polished surface, every organized space reflects a clear mind. This is balance, discipline turned into design. Real luxury begins when chaos ends. Look closer, it's the little things that change everything. Luxury isn't about what you have, it's about what you've become. Because in the end, true success is not found in walls or marble, but in the courage to imagine and the will to create.